In this video, I will show you how to add a receiving account in Payoneer. First of all, open any browser on your system and log into your Payoneer account. After that, click on the Get Paid option on the left side of your screen. You will then see the Receiving Accounts option on your screen. Click on it, scroll down and click on Get Started. Next, click on the Next button and select the type of receiving account you want. For example, if you want to get payments from an Australian client, select Australia. Scroll down and click on Next, then click on Submit Request. Here you will be asked to provide two things. First, you need to complete visual identity verification. If this is already done, you will need to fill out the Receiving Account questionnaire. Click on the questionnaire. As this is the most important step to getting a receiving account, fill this out very carefully to avoid any delays. First, select the reason for which you are using your Payoneer account. Scroll down and select the category that best describes your business. Then scroll down and select your role in that category. Provide some additional information about your business in a few sentences. Next, scroll down and enter the URL of your business website. If you are working as a freelancer, paste the link to your freelance portfolio. Scroll further and select your connection to the provided website from the available options. After that, select your business's average monthly payment volume. Once you have completed all these steps, click on Submit. After submitting, your information will be sent for verification. Payoneer will inform you via email if you need to provide any additional documents. Once your information is completely verified, you can start using your receiving account.